outskirts of nowhere, striking out on his own. He made his move to the city. He was just wanting his songs to be known. They started playing his songs on the local radio. Thought it was time to take this show on the road. He didn't know that he was a big fish swimming in a small pond. He was too young and too dumb to know. Moss Aberdeen, he peaked at 23. Moss Aberdeen, he didn't know it was time to leave. He tried to run with blinders on, and then he tripped and fell. Is what he didn't know, it was time for him to quit chasing the dream. It's over now with Moss Aberdeen. He had peaked at 23. He had a taste of glory. He continued to chase that dragon for a while. Then he got a hard dose of reality when his music was no longer in style. Ooh, he should have seen it coming. He should have seen the writing on the wall. He was always his own worst enemy. He never knew when to fold, and he never knew when to call. Moss Aberdeen, till he peaked at 23. Moss Aberdeen, he didn't know it was time to leave. He tried to run with blinders on, and then he tripped and fell. Is what he didn't know, it was time for him to quit chasing the dream. It was over now. Moss Aberdeen, he had peaked at 23. On, and then he tripped and fell. Is what he didn't know, it was time for him to quit chasing the dream. What he didn't know is it was time for him to quit chasing the dream. Moss Aberdeen. What he didn't know is it was time to quit chasing the dream. Moss Aberdeen, yeah, he should have known is that it was time to quit chasing the dream. Moss Aberdeen, yeah, he should have known. He should have known that he had peaked at 23.
Damn, it just won't die. It just won't die.